Okay.
Turn it on. Start it. Put it in one reverse. Just apply decent pressure. Now we're rolling. Forward.
Okay, so that's reversing first.
Yeah, that's reversing first. That's second gear. Let's go forward.
First gear, and then shift into second gear. Okay. If they try and start it in second gear, it won't go.
It will not move. It will slip forever.
Okay.
You have
All
to
right.
start it first, shift to second like a standard.
Okay, got it. Thank you.